Hey guys, Jesse Adams here. Thanks for joining my channel. On behalf of my brokerage, Mason Amelia, I proudly present November 960 Zulu. This is a stunning 2024 TBM 960 with under 200 flight hours since new, factory warranties through February 2029, and the all-new PT6E 66XT, which is a fully digitally controlled engine with a true digital auto throttle system. This plane has so much to offer. The 960 has a couple key features. It also headlines this awesome GWX 8000 Doppler radar from Garmin, where you just set it, you turn it on, it's fully automatic. In the cabin, it has the conveniences of electronically dimmable shades. It is such a stunning airplane. Really, as a whole, this plane greatly reduces the workload management, making it the perfect plane to either step up if you're already a TBM owner, or you fly a high-performance piston plane and you want your first turboprop aircraft. Thanks for joining, and be sure to stick around to see our full YouTube video that's coming your way soon.